Does your dog experience anxiety when you leave the house or maybe during a thunderstorm? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth with an anti-anxiety diffuser recipe formulated especially for your pet. For this recipe, you will need 1 drop of Juniper berry essential oil and 2 drops of our Peace and Quiet blend. These essential oils are very calming and will help relax your pet. To use this recipe, just drop the essential oils into your diffuser and you're ready to go. Make sure you're diffusing in an open room and leave the door open so that your dog or cat can leave the room if the smell is bothering them. If you love this recipe and your pet loves it too, you can create a master blend using a 5 milliliter bottle out of your big bonus box. To create your master blend, use 60 drops of our Peace and Quiet blend plus 30 drops of your Juniper berry essential oils to fill up your 5 milliliter container so that this blend is ready to go whenever you're about to leave the house. To get everything you need to make this recipe and more, subscribe to our monthly recipe box. This recipe box has 4 full-size essential oils, 6 different recipes, plus the ingredients you need to make them, all to make a natural home easy. And this month we're focusing on pets. So if you have a dog or cat and want to make your home more natural, this box is for you. And when you subscribe today, we'll throw in our big bonus box. This big bonus box is filled with things like almond oil and coconut oil and beeswax, things to make your recipe box go to the next level. So subscribe today to get your big bonus box and recipe box to make your home more natural for a happier pet.